Hello everyone, this is a demo video from Synergy Software. This is our accounting system. In this screen, you can enter ID and password. Each ID can setting using different permission. For example, like ID only can key in data entry or ID having full access to check financial report and everything. When you have this system, first step is to add product that's sold in the store. You can go to inventory, look for item, and press item to add new product. The first step for add item is to key in the item code. Item code can use barcode scanner to scan the barcode. Inside description can key in your item name. Then at price 1 can key in your selling price. Behind that can key in minimum stock quantity. Minimum stock quantity is used to remind if the stock on hand quantity lower than the quantity at here. Then you can press Save button. After setting item, you will need to buy stock from item. Before that, need to create supplier inside system. Can press an icon menu, go to purchase, creditor. You can key in your creditor code at here and their name. Then press Save. Then we can create a purchase order by pressing this purchase order. You can put in your reference date at here and select from which supplier. And below, can select which item required to purchase. You can put in how many quantity you want to order and single item unit price. Then press Save. You can email or send out this report to supplier by pressing this print button. If just receive the stock without invoice, can convert this to goods received. If both also received, then you can direct convert into invoice. You can press an action, convert to invoice received. The amount will record into account side, and the stock also will add into inventory. When you're ready to make payment to supplier or want to key in any expenses for your company, can go to cash management and press bank payment. Then you can select you want to pay to which creditor. You can change your reference date at here. Put in the amount you pay. And then you can press apply button to select which invoice. You can double click it to below there. And press OK, press Save button. You can print out this payment voucher as well. For example, I will create one more for making payment for T&B bill. If you want to return stock to supplier, can press at return hour under purchase and select which supplier. Return date and you can press action button. Select credit purchase for returning goods. You can select the date when you purchase the item and press refresh button. Take which invoice you want to return and press loop. Then you can write down the remark for what you want to return. And you can change the quantity for returning to supplier. Then you can press Save. To add customer into software, you can press Sales and select debtors. You can key in their code and their name, then press Save. After that, you can create quotation to customer by clicking this quotation. And you can select which date and quote to which customer. And you can select the item and below here. You can put in how many quantity you want quote to customer. And single item unit price. And press Save button. You can also print out the document by pressing this print button or send email to customer. If this quotation already confirmed, you can press an action, convert to sales order. And you will need to check the quantity and the price. When you deliver the item to customer, you can press an action, convert to delivery order. You need to choose which date you deliver the item. And you will need to double check the quantity again and the price. After you do delivery order, the item quantity will minus. Following for delivery order, you will need to create one sales invoice. You can press an action, convert to sales invoice. Select which date. Double check the quantity and price, then press Save button again. After convert to sales invoice, the amount will record into account side and can print or email to customer. When customer already make payment, need go to cash management and press bank receipt. At here, you can select receive money from which customer and change the reference date to the date you receive the money and put in the amount they pay. Then you can press apply button and double click for the invoice they're paying and press OK, press Save button. You can also print out the official receipt at here as well. For returning stock from customer, you can create one credit note. You can go to Sales and press Credit Note. At here, you can select which customer want to return the stock and press Action button, select Invoice for returning goods. You can filter the date range and press Refresh button. Then you can take which invoice they want to return and press Load. You will need to put in how many quantity they're planning to return and change the date for the return and key in their remark why they want to return the stock. Then you can press Save button and press Print to print this record to customer. If want to do bank recon, you can press an icon menu, go to Cash Management, and press Bank Reconciliation. And here you can select which bank is doing the bank reconcile, and key in your statement balance, and select statement and cut-off date. then press List. You can take all the records showing in bank statement here. After take, need to check is the bank statement amounts same with the reconcile balance or not. If everything is correct, you can press Save button and press Post. To check report, can go to icon menu, press Add Other, Report and Query. Here we'll have Account Report, Inventory Report, S&P Report, and Query. Under Account Report, it will contain this report. For example, General Ledger. To preview another report, can press back at icon menu. This one is P&L report. If only want to view one period, then you can change the column to show to 1 and select the period. Trial balance report. Balance sheet. For check debtor report, can use debtor aging and statement of account. For check creditor report, can also use creditor aging and statement of account. Besides, we can also check the item sales and purchase query. After press in, you can put your item code and your item here. Then you can select the date range and year and press List button. Here will show up which invoice you buy or sell the item. We will also set up auto backup in the system to automatically backup your system for you every day. This backup can also be stored in your own cloud such as OneDrive and Google Drive. In addition to auto backup, we have also configured manual backup so that you can manually backup your latest data by yourself at any time. If you want to know more about our system, please call or WhatsApp to our sales consultant. Thank you.